Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on the ear device, on the nose here, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, no major surgeries were required for the wounded victims of the Churchill Lane massacre in Forepath, Clarendon last Sunday. By last Thursday, only 2 of those who had arrived at Maypen Hospital Accident and Emergency Department were still admitted. However, this tragedy, believed to be the first of its scale in Jamaica's gang history, has intensified ongoing concerns among the facility's staff. They have long lamented shortages of equipment, hospital beds, manpower and transportation, especially in a parish that frequently deals with gunshot wounds from violent gang clashes. So my wisdom warriors, this hospital, Maypen Hospital, is a hospital where now have no equipment. When you hear me just read out something about shortages of equipment, hospital bed, them short of transportation, them short a lot of things, even medication. Even the simple medication they are short of. They don't have these things. And this hospital deal with a lot of gunshot wounds. So the time when Andrew owners are grown like headless chicken, a bill. When we doing and do for the Jamaican people? You need to buy equipment in every single hospital, extend the hospital there. And one thing for sure, Andrew owners, you need to make education free so that nurses can go and train freely, because the people them fear worry about money. A lot of woman and man out there want to be nurse, but they can't be a nurse because they don't have the money. They don't have the money, and your honest. So if you just put the money to use, build up institution, make education be free. Because a lot of people want to be nurses, a lot of people want to be doctor, a lot of people want to be teacher, but you them have to pay this whole heap of money. Like, come on. Even other day, I say una bill up on Cornwall Regional Hospital, but you don't even have nurses. When you start doing the building, you shouldn't think about training nurses. Do something like an apprenticeship. I tell you all the time. Do something like an apprenticeship. You understand? And train them. So while them are work, them are learn. And meanwhile, them are study. Come on, Andrew Honest, man. You just the behind time. You just the way behind time. Alfieval Williams, I don't know where you depend, mama. I don't understand, I don't understand, Now, have to go pay a whole heap of money. Some people think, say, oh, a little bit of money. And a little bit of money, the people them are go work for. Them the Filipino, they don't work for a little bit of money. Them the Filipino, they now work for a little bit of money, my wisdom warriors. You understand? A good pay the Filipino them go get. Wherever them go and look the nurses, a good pay them all get. I don't know why you not train on your own nurses. Train on your own nurses. Come on. If you make education free, everything will alright. But you not. You just take from poor people. Poor people have to struggle, Poor people have to struggle. Enough of them not have it. You understand? So I want you to look into it. Which I know you not look into nothing. Come here, Mark Golden come out and talk about education all the time, but Damien Crawford, but you not do nothing. You really not doing nothing. 31-year-old vendor Faye Cleghorn, otherwise called Shema, of Bucks Common, Clarendon, was shot and killed by unknown assailants in her community on Friday. The Maypen police say about 9:15 p.m. residents heard an explosion and alerted the police. On their arrival, Cleghorn was seen lying on a roadway in her community with gunshot wounds to her upper body. Clarendon again, my wisdom warriors. Clarendon again. So who do this? Who do this? Because Andrew Owen said they have all of the killer them. So who do this now? Where happen? Clarendon vendor shot and kill. Who do this? Jaja. You know say Andrew Holness for resign, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness for resign, you know. Because the country is failing, the whole system is failing. He need to resign, but him still a hold on. Him still a hold on. He know in himself, so he frig up. He messed up, he know that, but he still a hold on. Andrew Holness, what you really a hold on, pan? What you really a hold on, pan, brother? You need to give up, brother. You need to give up. It don't make no sense. This don't make no sense what you do. No sense. Because look now, when you say you have to kill them, so who do them a killing you now? Who do this right now? Jaja. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Popular funeral home director Paul Patmore was officially unveiled by opposition leader Mark Golding on Thursday night as the People's National Party candidate for Trelawney Southern at a colourful constituency conference in Albert Town Square, which was preceded by a massive motorcade. Golding, who was seemingly impressed by the overwhelming show of support for Patmore in a constituency which was handsomely won by the Jamaica Labour Party, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, in the 2020 general election, was all smiles as he introduced the popular 53-year-old businessman. You hear that, my wisdom warriors? Hey, listen. You see that constituency there? A Labour right stronghold, you know. No wonder why Andrew Holness now put nobody yet. No wonder why Andrew Holness now put no candidate up to the forefront. You know say what go on? He afraid like a puss. When me telling you say the man afraid, Labour right there afraid. When me telling you say them afraid, my wisdom warriors. Frigga them afraid because they can't believe say the whole place turn orange down at Trelawney. They can't believe. They can't believe. So down a southern Trelawney turn orange. I remember say it is a Labour right stronghold. That's all. So you know how it go. You know how it go. That's why Andrew Holness is delaying all these things. Yeah. That's why I'm not have a representative yet. Because he's out here delaying it. You know what I'm do, you know. You know what I'm do. But guess what? Whatever you have tried to do Andrew Holness, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Southern Trelawney say, a orange them say, a PNP is the way. PNP is the way. Seriously. When I see them do my wisdom warriors, they are doing a lot. Yeah, they are doing so much for the people and the people they not even realize. Them just a watch Andrew a bill. Andrew only a bill certain things because it a go back in a yard. Because who is the contractor? Who you really think is the contractor behind the wall of them building here? If you no go do no research, you no get a shock on the life. Nothing about the woman. On a year, I woman are the big top contractor. And when them a bill and I like them a bill nothing for the Jamaican people. No space stakeholder. Remember, you know, Andrew Holness say him not run down popularity anymore. A legacy in thing there. Legacy. You understand? Legacy. So him a bill but the people they not benefit from them the something there. A pay stakeholders. Even the prison, even the new prison when say him a go bill. Even the new prison when say go build, it is a private-public partnership thing. So when the stakeholders and investors put in their money, how only think them all get back their money? We have to read between the lines, my wisdom warriors, and we have to do critical thinking all the time. We can't stay like the Labour and them. They not, hey, them come, you know when an unborn baby don't know nothing, I saw them coming like, Jano. Sometimes I have to laugh at them. Sometimes I have to really, really laugh at them. Poor soul them. They make Andrew Holness out here tricking them. Misleading them. And some of them know, you know. Enough of them know, my wisdom warriors, what Andrew Holness is doing. Enough of them see say Andrew Holness is not a good prime minister. But through them shame. Through them shame. Let me tell you something, man. On a Labour right, you should know. Remember how everybody come out for Andrew Holness. All whole heap of PNP come out. You remember? And Andrew Holness change. So from the people them a go against Andrew Holness, I something him a do wrong. And you have to admit it, man. You know say something Andrew Holness is doing wrong. That's why when time whole heap of PNP did switch and go to JLP, it whole round did happy. So how now Andrew Holness now do right by the people and the place a turn back orange and the whole round a fix about it. The whole of una have fixed about it. Brother, una fi Lego them the style there. Lego them the style there. Andrew Holness need to go. Andrew Holness must resign. Along with Christopher Tufton, Horace Chang, Nigel Clark, Juliet Holness, the whole shebang. The whole Al Delroy Chuck it me forget about you and Daryl Vaz and he woman. The whole of una need to pack on the bag and leave out of parliament. Una is not welcome. Andrew Holness is just trying to hold on, my wisdom warriors. That's all he's doing, trying to hold on. But you tell me what you think. If you want Andrew Holness to resign, yes or no, put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, big up on a nice clean self. One love.